Listen, the difference between a rich life and a poor life is not money, it is mindset. This is MindForge, where broken minds become unstoppable. People think wealth starts in your bank. But no, wealth starts in your thoughts, your actions, your choices when no one is watching, your belief in your own future today. You will learn the mindset that builds success, and the mindset that destroys it. The problem, why people stay stuck. Some people wake up every day already defeated, not because they are weak, but because they believe a lie. Lie that says, I can't change. I am unlucky. I am not smart enough. I don't deserve more. This lie kills dreams before they ever begin. Poor mindset says, I will start tomorrow. I will wait for luck. I hope something good happens. But tomorrow never comes. Luck never knocks. Hope never builds results. Poor mindset makes excuses. Rich mindset makes moves. Poor mindset sees a successful person and says, they are lucky. Rich mindset says, they worked for it, so can I. Poor mindset watches motivation videos for a quick high. Rich mindset watches motivation videos, then gets to work. Realization, the shift that changes everything. Here is the truth. You are not stuck because life is unfair. You are stuck because you are still thinking small. Rich mindset is not about money in the pocket. It is about possibility in the mind. Poor mindset asks, how much will this cost me? Rich mindset asks, how much will this teach me? Poor mindset fears failure. Rich mindset hunts failure. Because every failure is a clue, a lesson, a step closer. Poor mindset says, I tried once, it didn't work. Rich mindset says, I will try 100 times, I will learn, I will adapt, I will win. Think about this. The person who never gives up cannot lose. You can lose money, you can lose time, you can lose comfort. But if you never lose belief, you are already unstoppable. Action. What you must start doing now. Here are 5 rich mindset rules that will change your life. 1. Take ownership. Stop blaming. Your life is in your hands. No one is coming to save you. So become your own hero. 2. Build skills daily. Just 1% better every day. Read, learn, practice. Skill builds confidence. Confidence builds success. 3. Use time like gold. Rich mindset doesn't waste hours scrolling. It builds, it creates, it invests today to enjoy tomorrow. 4. Change your environment. If your friends think small, your dreams will shrink too. Surround yourself with people who want more. 5. Take action even when afraid. Courage does not mean no fear. It means moving with fear. Doubt can whisper, but action must lead. Start today. Not next week. Not someday. Someday is the home of the poor mindset. Today is the home of the rich mindset. Climax goosebumps moment. Listen to me. You are not average. You are not weak. You are not stuck. You were not born to just survive. You were born to rise. The world will try to tell you who you are. The world will try to limit you. But the world does not get to decide your ceiling. You do. So stop saying, I can't. Start saying, I will. Stop saying, I hope. Start saying, I create. Stop waiting for chances, start taking them. Every action you take today is building the person you will become. Your future self is watching and they are begging you, please don't quit now. You have one life, one chance, one story, make it worth remembering. Stand up, look yourself in the mirror and say, my mind is rich, my life will be rich, and I will never go back. The richest thing in the world is a human being who refuses to stay small. Become dangerous, become focused, become unstoppable. This is MindForge, where broken minds become unstoppable. Your future is waiting.